Good morning, grade 6. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Alright, students, today we are going to do our grammar work, and the grammar work we are going to do letter writing. Students, I know you all have not still got your English grammar books, so let's have a look with me in this letter writing chapter, and then soon you will get your books. Okay? Alright. So we have letter writing chapter. So let's start with the what is letter writing, and then we will move towards the topic that we are going to do today. Okay, what is a letter? A letter is a written message sent by one person to another. In other words, a letter is a piece of conversation by post. So when we transfer any written message, it can be termed as letter. Okay, so this is what a letter is called. When we are writing a message and when we are sending it to some other person through post or some other means, that is known as letter. According to Oxford Dictionary, a letter is a message that is written down or printed on paper and usually put in an envelope and sent to somebody. Okay, so you got the definition that according to the Oxford Dictionary, a letter is something that we write on a piece of paper or we print it and then we put it in an envelope and then we send it. Okay, now let's move towards the types of letters. Students, we have two important types of the letters and the categories of the letters. One is known as formal and the other one is known as informal letter writing. Now let's move towards what is formal letters. Formal letters are written for business or professional purposes with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. While writing a formal letter, one should keep in mind the following things. It should be in a specified format. It should avoid the use of unnecessary words. It should be straight to the point. It should be relevant and objective. It should be complex and thorough. It should be polite even if it is a complaint letter. It should be free from any mistakes, that is grammatical or spellings. Alright students, so formal letter writing is something very important. While we write we are writing it for some business or professional purposes, so we are not so we have to make sure that we do not make any mistakes. Okay. Alright, now let's move towards informal letters. Informal letters are written to friends and relatives for personal communication and uses a casual or emotional tone. Informal letters are basically the letters that we write to our very personal relatives or friends or family, parents, siblings, right? And in those types of letter we can use a very casual or informal tone what we want. While writing an informal letter, one can afford to be friendly and make use of personal or emotional tone. Slang or colloquial terms, codes, abbreviations, etc. can also be used at the time of writing it depending on the familiarity with the recipient. Okay, so we can make use of all these terms while writing an informal letters. Okay, now let's take a look at the comparison chart of these formal and informal letter writing. Okay, meaning a formal letter is a letter written in formal language, a letter written in a friendly manner to someone you are familiar with. Okay, alright, then we have an objective. Formal letters are written for the professional communication and formal are written for personal. Informal letter is written in prescribed format only. It means that you cannot change the format of the letter, but in informal you can write it according to your own way. Okay, formal letter is written in the first person and the third person, while the informal letter is written in first, second or third person. Formal letters are basically written to your business, college, institute, employer or organizations, while the informals can be written to your friends, family, acquaintances, your parents, your siblings. Okay, in formal you have to be passive, while in informal you can make use of your active sentences. In informal your sentences should be long and complex, while in informal your sentences should be short and simple. The size should be concise in the formal letter writing, while in informal it can be large or concise. You cannot use abbreviations or contractions in your formal letter writing, while in informal letter writing you can make use of these contractions and abbreviation. Now Let's hurriedly take a look on the format of the letter and the parts of the letter. A letter comprises of the following parts. The first one is heading or the center address. This part consists of the center's address and it is to be written on the top, okay, to whom you are writing. Then the date on which we are writing, okay. The salutation, this part can take various changes depending on whom we are writing to letter. For example, if we are writing letter to a mother, then we will write mother. If we are writing it to our some office or college purposes, then we will write it as respected sir. Okay, then the body, which is your main part, your main paragraph, in which you are going to write the message, that what message you want to convey. Then you have subscription. This line is written on the bottom left of the page and it shows the ending. Okay, ending shows that yours truly, yours affectionately, these types of words. Okay, then we have a letter. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her about an interesting place which you have recently visited.